Stop trading your time for a paycheck. The American dream has a new address, and it's your home office. Here are the hacks. If you want to win in this economy, you can't afford to miss what's next. Hit subscribe to Brainweave right now before your competition does.
Remote work fails without structure. Stop confusing working from home with living at work. Let's fix your workflow.
Don't let clients in different time zones ruin your dinner. Here is the exact calendar hack to protect your personal time. Psychology hack: get dressed. Seriously, your brain needs the signal that it's go time, not sleep time. It changes your income. You weren't built for a cubicle. Escape the commute. Remote work is a lifestyle upgrade. Is working 2 remote jobs unethical? No, it's called maximizing your output, but you must do it legally. Here's the line. Forget the 401k match. As a freelancer, you need a SEP IRA. It's the wealth hack big corporations don't want you to know. You are a human, not a machine. If you don't schedule stop, your body will schedule it for you. Take the breaks. American clients pay the best, but they need trust. Stop using Fiverr. Use LinkedIn Outreach with a video pitch. It works. If your Wi-Fi drops during a client call, you look unprofessional. Always have a hardline backup. It's non-negotiable. Stop charging by the hour. You sell a result, not your time. If you're fast, you shouldn't be punished. Raise your rates. Remote work gets lonely. Use Study With Me streams or virtual co-working. You need human energy to stay sane. If a client sends you a check to buy equipment, it's a scam. It will bounce. You pay the bank. Protect your bag. Your home office, internet, and even that new monitor, tax deductible. Track every single expense. Don't leave money on the table. Don't just be a writer. Be a writer who uses AI. Don't just design. Be a designer who understands ROI. Stack your skills. That meeting could have been an email. Protect your deep work hours. Block out no meeting Wednesdays on your calendar. Feeling like a fraud? Good. It means you're growing. Charge what you're worth anyway. Fake the confidence until you own it. Start it tonight. Don't overthink it. A basic website and 1 skill is all you need. The perfect time to start was yesterday. Use AI to write drafts, not final copies. Use it for research, not thinking. Let the robot do the boring stuff. You do the genius stuff. Tell your family, if the door is closed, I'm earning. If it's open, I'm available. Respect the boundary, respect the money. You don't get PTO as a freelancer? Yes, you do. You just have to schedule it and save for it. Take a vacation. Seriously. 20% of your effort creates 80% of your income. Find that 20% and kill the rest. Stop being busy, start being effective. Scared of losing employer health insurance? Check the healthcare marketplace. For many freelancers, it's cheaper than corporate payroll deductions. Got rejected? Frame it as a redirection. That no brings you closer to the right yes. Keep pitching. The US market is huge. Saying no to bad clients is saying yes to your peace and your profit. Stop being desperate. Value yourself first. You don't have to leave the country. Live in a cheap US state, earn a coastal salary. That's the real financial freedom hack. The market changes every 6 months. If you aren't learning, you're dying. Spend 1 hour a week on a new skill. Just one. Don't check email in bed. Get up, hydrate, move your body. Win the morning, win the day. It's a boring cliche because it's true. One client is not a business. It's a job with extra steps. Build a product, a course, or an ebook. Diversify your income. You are the average of the 5 people you follow. Curate your feed. Connect with other hustlers. Brainweave is your tribe. If you're feeling isolated, go to a coffee shop once a week. Just be around humans. It resets your mental battery. Automate your invoices, automate your follow-ups. Let the software run in the background while you focus on the high-value creative work. This lifestyle isn't for the lazy, it's for the disciplined. But if you can master it, you never have to work a day in your life. Your 9-5 is a safety net, but it's also a cage. It's time to build your own empire. Weave your future with Brainweave.